Yeah, Santa little thing with the ragtop dame, sitting in the crowd, but she wouldn't get up. Dogs all walking and a wagon around. I just laughed and said, "It don't get it." She had on a new dress and she could have hit. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. So what you wanna do, baby? I don't care. We was gonna settle, we stay out here. I can take you for a ride on the big green tractor. We can go slow, we can go faster than through the woods. Out through the house, always out with you. It really don't matter. I'm a family loud. Try if you want to, cause you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. You go ride on my big green tractor. We get fired up and I can show you around. Sit up on the hill and watch the sun go down. When the fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out, we can turn on the lights and head back to the house. We can take another ride on the big green tractor. We can go slow, we can go faster down through the woods, out through the pasture to those I'm with you. It really don't matter. I'm a family loud. Try if you want to, but you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, baby, if you'd rather. You go ride on my big green tractor. Just let me just off the seat. Put your pretty arms around me and take me for a ride, Texas. Alright, y'all, help me out. Put your hands together one time. Here we go. Alright, you guys feel like singing a little bit? I sounded like shit. I said, are you guys ready to sing a little bit? Alright, I'll kick it off for you. I want to hear you guys all the way back to the very back. You guys ready? Goes like this. Take you for a ride on my big green tractor.
We can go slow, or we can go faster. Down to the woods, out to the pasture. Long time with you, it really don't matter. And drive if you want to, but you know you got me to hold on to. Maybe you can
I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Hell yeah! We can go to